What is the replacement rate? Replacement rate may refer to pensions or populations. Let's first look at pensions. The replacement rate is the percentage of an employee's pre-retirement monthly income that he or she receives each month after retiring. Fred's salary when he worked was $2,000 per month. He now receives a pension of $1,400 per month. $1,400 is 70% of $2,000. Therefore, Fred's replacement rate is 70%. We use the replacement rate to determine how effective a pension system is. Replacement rate can also refer to the fertility rate a nation requires in order to maintain its current population. A replacement rate of 2, that is, 2 kids per mother, is not enough to maintain a population. To maintain a population, we need a replacement rate of 2.1. The additional 0.1 reflects the probability that a percentage of offspring will die before their parents. As you can see on this global map, there are vast areas of the world with a replacement rate below 2.1. Replacement rate often includes net migration, that is, the number of people who die and emigrate each year, balanced against the number of babies that are born, plus how many people immigrate. Thank you for watching this Markets Business News video on replacement rate.